All 2021 is posing new legal problems for Donald Trump. One of the top aides he pardoned to keep out of jail may be headed back there anyway. Steve Bannon now facing warnings of criminal contempt for defying a congressional subpoena. It's a legally risky move given the outright defiance that he's doing could land someone in jail without even committing any separate crime. That may be why Trump's former chief of staff is now reportedly engaging with the same committee. Now, Trump was trying to hide evidence from this insurrection probe, but only the current president wields those powers of executive privilege. And we can tell you President Biden is now rejecting Trump's attempt to invoke them. So that could tee up another legal battle if Trump sues the man who replaced him. And that's not all. Donald Trump also remains under criminal investigation in Georgia for election-related offenses, and his company is currently being prosecuted in New York, showing the myriad legal pressure that Trump faces, which is truly unprecedented. No other ex-president was impeached twice. No other ex-president had their company indicted. Trump still has a legal chance to try to beat that case, but his own staff are testifying, as you see here, and his indicted CFO is under major pressure to flip with a trial coming next summer. And if you're keeping track, no other ex-president has faced this many legal and criminal probes at once, including news breaking this week that courts will force Trump to testify in two separate and serious cases, one alleging a discriminatory assault by Trump's security guards in 2015, another involving a former apprentice contestant suing Trump for defamation after she went public during his first run for president with her own sexual assault allegations. We have never seen Trump under deposition before as a former president.
I don't have my glasses. I am at a disadvantage because I didn't bring my glasses. This is such small writing.
All right, well, if the witness can't actually physically read the language, that's a problem.
It's very small writing. I can make it out. Do you want me to try?
That's not the only thing that's very small. The former president has found his megaphone after leaving the White House is much, much smaller. He's also not currently allowed on Twitter or Facebook. So now you have the one situation where he does have to speak with legal consequences, where he does have a type of megaphone and depositions that will be covered, and yet that's the place where he's been running away from talking. Only time will tell how much any of these cases catch up to Trump personally.